Embrace Detail and Auto Spa. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Hopefully you watched the first video to see that. The vehicle was not quite, I believe the Mercedes says iridium silver. It was more so ski slash road trip gray-ish. Again, showing what we were focusing on before as far as the suspension components, very necessary for the vehicle to perform well. And when you go in for maintenance, you won't be charged as much because when it is time to replace such items such as brakes and components, they won't be rusted from all the corrosion that's happened over the winter time. Again, that was the interior and exterior service. Looking much better after the trip. Also, you notice that the door jambs are not caked with dirt and grime and mud and salt from the trip anymore either. Remember the rear of the vehicle. This is some of the customer's items. We don't use those, but again, looks much clean, much better, clean and protected. Hopefully get the same video results on this side. The sun is facing us, but again, focusing on those door jambs, and we got grime off of the pedals, floorboard area. So again, Embrace Detail and Auto Spa, taking care of monthly customer. Looks amazing. So sign up for the same great service, embraceautodetail.com/services, and try to get onto the calendar.